Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am planning in my mini homebody dashboard layout, and I did put it back in my Foxy Fix cover. So I'm not like a big fan of how big and floppy this cover is because my planner on classic discs doesn't fit in there as tight as I want it to. But anyways, I'm just trying different things out, different covers, and then I did order a couple mini covers on the flash sale, so those should be here probably about time you're watching this. So my next plan with me may be in a different cover, but I am just trying to change things up, keep everything fresh. So anyways, we're planning for the week of February 3rd through the 9th, and I did only pre-choose 2 stickers, 2 quotes, but I'm going to be using the Teresa Collins Be Happy Box sticker book to decorate the spread. And then I think I am also, if I can get it out here, going to be using some of the washi that came with the Teresa Collins Be Happy Box. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, but it did come with these 3. So I'll decide here in a minute which ones I'm going to use. I know that I want to use some of these flowers, and I did buy multiples of these, the Be Happy Box. I bought 3. I know that sounds crazy, but I love these flowers, and I just loved everything about everything that was in the box, and I do use the guided journals. So, and then I also gave some things away that were in my boxes. So anyways, if you're wondering, I did get multiples. But let's see, I think I want to take one of these big flowers and put down here at the bottom, but I'm not sure how I want to do this yet. So my quote can go there, and I think I'm gonna put the flower right above this quote. This one says confidence is power. So let's put the flower on top of that focus. I'm just going to white it out so it doesn't show through my flower. And I'm probably going to have to cut some of this flower off, but that's okay. I'll use it somewhere else. So let's try to get this as straight as possible. Oh. I think that's crooked. Oh yeah, that's crooked. Let's straighten that up. Okay, so that's cute there. And I'm not going to really worry about these lines that are showing through here. Not a big deal. So let's cut this off, and I'll use it somewhere else in my spread. Maybe... No, I don't like that. So let's see. I'm not sure if I'm going to cover up my headers. We'll see. There are some headers in here, but they're not really ones that I would use because there's not like a to buy. So I don't know yet what I'm going to do with those. Let's go ahead and move to this side and see if I can find some boxes in here. And I may have to do some cutting down, but I think there are some colorful boxes. Like we have these big vertical ones. There's these. There's these small ones with the flowers already in them. And then there's these. So I think I'm going to use some of these. So let's grab this one. Now, do I want to do, I think I'm just going to do Tuesday and Friday. And I wonder if I can use this flower. I might try it right here. If I can get it straight. I need my tweezers. And then maybe just kind of put this box over top. see how that looks. I didn't put this box on my wax paper and it's sticking good. Okay. So I can see that green leaf through there. And I think my box is still crooked. So I may have to cut that green leaf just a little bit. But I don't know. I don't think maybe it won't bother me because I got plenty of room to write over here. I did want to take this Be Authentic and put down here at the bottom, like in between Saturday and Sunday. But I'm going to find a flower to go there. So let's go ahead and grab this. Sorry. And go back to our flowers. I think I'm going to use this one. So this is cute. And then I can pair it with this quote. I need to silence my watch. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's going crazy over here with Instagram notifications. So yeah, that's cute like that. And then I'm just going to grab one more colorful box. And I'm also going to use some washi to cover up this yellow dinner plans. Let's see if I can get this straight. Ugh, there we go. I always have the hardest time getting things straight. Okay. Yeah, that's cute like that. Now, back to my boxes. No, I picked this one. And I think what I'm going to do is take this flower. Because I have this one already cut going down the center, I think I'm going to cut this one. And have it going down the center as well. So let's just cut it like this. And put it on this side. And then I'm going to layer my box on top of it. Just so that I have kind of a cohesive look. And this flower is going to kind of cover up my dates here. But that's okay. I can still see them through there. So we'll put this box down here. And I'm wondering if I could use this somewhere else. Maybe I'll just put it on Monday so that I kind of have a cohesive look down the center here. Does that look weird? It's okay, it's different. So now I feel like I do need a box up here. So let's go grab, I don't think I have another one that size. I may have to pull out another one of my Be Happy box sticker books. So see there, I do have two more. And there's one right there. Okay. So that is one of my, I don't want to call it a downfall, but that is one of my things, is if I find sticker books that I really like, I will buy multiples, especially if there's flowers in them, because y'all know I love flowers. And then I'm also going to do a video, speaking of multiple sticker books, I'm going to do a video for this week showing you how I created, I had 4 fun floral sticker books, and I get tired of like flipping through all 4 of them to see which flowers I have left. So I ordered some padding compound on Amazon. It's this stuff here. And I made a giant sticker book. So there's 4 sticker books in this one. So I'm kind of proud of that. And I'm going to do a video to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so anyways, back to what I was doing here. I want to cover up dinner plans. And this floral may be pretty up here. So let's try this. I do use this as dinner plans, but I just want to get rid of it because it's yellow. And I don't have any yellow on this spread. Oh yeah, I think that looks very cute there. So let's just get my X-Acto here and trim this off. And I can still see some yellow behind there, so let's just wipe that out. Because y'all know I'm like particular about things showing through. So let's just wipe this out and get rid of this dark yellow here. and then put our washi back. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this washi on the other side too, somewhere, just so that I have a cohesive look. So trim that off. And then, oh yeah, I like that. So I still do dinner plans here, but like I said, I didn't want the yellow. And let's see, I'm gonna stab myself with this thing. Let me put it down. Where can I put some washi? Yep, right down here on the bottom. Yep, this is gonna be cute, y'all. I have so much washi and I really need to use it more because I always forget. I'm like so consumed with sticker books that I forget about my washi. So I really need to, oh, I cut my page. I really need to use my washi more. So yeah, I think that's pretty. All right. I do have my Homebody leaf still up here, but it is not that far out of place from this spread, so I think I'm just going to leave it alone and not worry about covering it up. So let's put this back in my planner. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are still enjoying your Homebody mini happy planners. So here's what it looks like. Sorry about all my mess here. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.